Hi, it's me again, Ashanti. So this time I'm gonna make a review with this thing that is so-called accessories cleaner. Because actually, living here in Europe is a little bit difficult, especially talking about high concentrated liquid, especially something like the cleaner, a liquid cleaner for your accessories is something like really difficult to find it here in Europe. I don't know, maybe just in Germany, but it's really, really difficult to find it here because it's illegal to have a highly concentrated or a highly, something like a dangerous liquid. I don't know, because they do believe that it could be make and it could be make for explosion. So I really don't know. Because usually, if you buy really a liquid, something like that, are really like concentrated and so poisonous or whatsoever, you have to write something and make declaration or what you do with that or whatsoever. And buying that online is really not that easy to find. So that's why I come across with this accessories cleaner, because actually me myself is an acidic, which is, you know, I can really make my accessories really dark in a day or in a week. It depends on how high and how I get sweat. So for example, when it's summer, I get sweat too much, so my accessories, my earrings and my necklace gets really dark already, which I really need to clean it. So that's why I come across with this cleaner, and I want you guys to find it out and to see it for yourself. If this, you have to get it or forget it.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So I put my accessories inside and I run it for 5 times. And then after I run it, this is how it looks like. It seems like it doesn't really helps. That actually, I run it for 5 times. Like, one round is 420 seconds. So I did it 5 times. And this is the water, what it looks like after that. But, seems like it did something, but it really not that much. So I decided to scrub it with a sponge. So I just scrub this with this kind of sponge. A normal sponge that you usually clean your dishes and pots from your kitchen. First, I plan to use this metal sponge, but I'm afraid that I will just gonna scratch all my accessories, especially the pendants. So I decided to do this just with this normal sponge, but the rough side of this one. So that's just it. And put it back to the machine and run it 2 to 3 rounds. And then, this is the result after all that. It's somehow I'm really surprised, but I'm not really surprised because I scrub it on myself. But somehow, without this doing into the machine, you cannot just scrub your accessories just like this. But somehow, doing it with the machine and after that scrubbing it, this really helps. Look at this. This really looks better than before. It looks white now and clean. It helps a little bit, but it's fine. Better than nothing. So, now you see it, guys, no? But I don't know if you all really must have this. But especially in the Asia, you don't need to have this. But in Europe, or I don't know, across here in Germany, this is the only thing you can use. But somehow, this clean but not enough. This does the job, but that's really not enough. So I really don't know. I could just use it anyway because I have no other choice. But at least this time I help you to find it out if this kind of machine really works or not. As this claims to be a thing that they use to clean for your accessories in a jewelry shop. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!